Okay, so first of the care of eye, we need some follow some steps to keep our eye healthy. Okay, so first of all, minimum twice in a day we should wash our eye with the clean water. We should clean our eye with the water. Okay, that is number 2. If we feel any pain in our eye, so it should consult with the doctor without self treatment. Self treatment can be dangerous for our eye and also health. Okay, third point, if it seems that something is entering in our eye and we are without rubbing, we should splash our eye with the water. Okay, third, that is number 3. Number 4, we need to take some vitamin A for keep our eye healthy. And what are the sources of vitamin A? Tell me in the chat box, what are the sources of vitamin A? Yes, carrot, green vegetables. In what words? That is green vegetables, and also milk and eggs. These are the source of vitamin A. That is 4. And number 5, that reading in a dim light and as well as bright light, it is not good for our eye. Got it? Reading book or reading story, reading anything in a dim light as well as bright light, it is not good for our eye health. Okay, and number 6 and number 7, and we do not read keeping the book just in front of eye in this position. That is also not good. Okay, so these 6 or 7 steps we need to follow if we want to keep our eyes healthy. Okay, so that is that topic I have. Night blindness, that is vitamin A. Night blindness means vitamin D. We need to take vitamin A, not vitamin D. Okay, not by D. That is that night blindness prevented by vitamin A, not by D. Okay, have I said that vitamin D in first time? Have I said it, Sneha? If I said it, then it is my mistake, and it is vitamin. Oh, it is vitamin A. Okay, vitamin is not vitamin D. Vitamin A helps us to prevent night blindness. Okay, so these are some precaution for the keeping our eye healthy. Now next thing, the Braille system. Okay, that Braille system. Okay, this system is very much helpful. This system is very much helpful for the visually challenged person. Okay, then in 9 it was introduced at 32. First introduced at 93, and in this system there are 63 dots or 63 character, and combination of dots or combination of character, it signify any words, any symbol, any grammatical rule. Okay, and visually challenged person touch it, and he has to, first of all, he has to memorize all these characters, and after by touching it, he has to feel that what is written there. Okay, so in those who are visually challenged, they with the help of that system, they can continue their study forwardly. Okay, so this is the Braille system. No need to study many things about Braille system. That just it is introduced 1932, and it has 63 characters. It is very much helpful for the visually challenged person. Okay, and some visually challenged person who are very much famous, you can know, you have heard that name, that is Helen Keller, and her book The Story of My Life, that is very much famous book. And actually when she was only 18 months old, okay, she lost her sight, and from that, only for her courage, she could complete her graduation from a university, and she wrote a book, is The Story of My Life, and 1903. Okay, so she is very much famous, though. However, she was visually challenged person, but she is very much famous. Okay. Now students, I will discuss some question answer, not from NCERT book, because I have said you that after revision I will discuss the question answer of light. Next day I will start the sound chapter. So I will just, I am telling in that is not question, that question. Okay, tell me tell me in the chat box, everyone tell me in the chat box, what are the function of rod and cone cells? What are the functions of rod and cone cells? Okay, tell me. Yes, rod cells in dim light, and cone cells are bright light. Okay, cone cells helps to see the bright light. Next question, which photoeffective cells helps us to identify the color? Which photoeffective cells helps us to identify the color? Mute your microphone. Okay, rod cells helps to see the dim light. Okay, and cone cells helps us in bright light. Yes. Next, and color identification is it's done by the cone cells. Okay, next question, tell me quickly. Mention the range of vision of a normal human. Mention the range of vision of a normal human. Tell me quickly. Far point as well as yes, far point as well as near point. Quickly answer it. Five centimeter to unlimited. Yes, 5 centimeter. No. It is not 5 centimeter. That is 25 centimeter. Comfortable distance 25 centimeter. Yes, because in front of 25 centimeter we cannot read comfortably. So near point is 25 centimeter and far point is infinity. Okay. Next question. Okay, mention for how much duration image stays on our retina. Mention for how much duration image stays on our retina. Tell me. Not 1 by 10 seconds. Not 1 by 10 yes, 1 by 16 seconds. 1 by 16 seconds any image stays at retina. Next question. Black object is very much important question. Black object appears black. Why? Black objects appear black. Why? Okay, I want to see who can tell me the answer. Yes, Rosni, very good answer. Well done, Rosni. Yes, it absorbs all the light. No color of light is reflected. That's why it appears black. Okay. Next question. Okay. Mention the type of lens that is thicker in center. Mention the type of lens which is thicker at the center. It means like that. Thicker at the center. Yes. Yes, convex, Rosni, Sneha, very good. Chandranath, Adri, okay. Very good. Okay, next question. If angle of reflection is 30 degree, what is the angle of incidence? If angle of reflection is 30 degree, what is the angle of incident? It is 30 degree. We know that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay. Next question. Name the, listen it carefully, name the part of the eye which gives the color to the eye. Name the part of the eye which gives color to the eye. Cornea, iris, okay. Anyone else? I want to see. But this time cornea, Oisi, cornea, Adri, cornea, okay. Okay. Adri also cornea, Trijit, Sneha, iris, okay. Anyone else? Trijit also cornea. So among you only first answer given, right answer given by Rosni, and second right answer given by Sneha. Iris is the part which gives our eye a distinctive color. Okay, I have told you earlier in the discussion. Okay. Next question. State the size of the image formed by the plane mirror. State size of the image from the plane mirror where object is 10 centimeter height. You have written earlier that you will be cornea. Now why you are editing your answer? Who? Chandranath Pal. It's okay. What is the height of the image of a formed by the plane mirror when object height is, yes, same as the object. Very good. So very good. So 10 class 7.8 students are giving good answer. Next question. Okay. Give me two uses of plane mirror. Give me two uses of plane mirror. Quickly. To look, okay? Hey, mute your microphone. First of all, in solar cooker you use also, and in barber shop and periscope we used, yes, periscope, barber shop, ठीक है, kaleidoscope, we use the plane mirror. So students, I hope today I end this class here. I hope you have enjoyed your class, physics class little bit. Next day I will start new chapter with new energy. Okay, Chandranath, I hope you have enjoyed it. Okay, thank you, bye.